Today we're making caramel marble cake. We're gonna start off with a caramel. Start with mixing sugar and water and caramelize to a nice amber color. Pour this out on silk pad or baking paper. Once this is cooled down, use a food presser or a mortar to make a powder out of it. Add your eggs and sugar to a mixing bowl and mix on high speed. Once nice and fluffy, add your cream. After that has been incorporated, add your flour and baking powder. Lastly, add your molten butter. Once mixed, divide in two, should be about 380 grams. Add your caramel powder to one part. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 160 degrees, top and bottom heating. And vanilla and sugar to the other one. Add this to 2 separate piping eggs. Pipe this into your prepared mold. Make 4 layers in total, starting with the caramel and ending with the vanilla. Bake this for about 35 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, try to unmold it as fast as possible. And now you're ready to enjoy your vanilla and caramel marble cake. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.